I don't know if you have such questions. After burning the OpenHarmony system, what can I do to compile a program that can run on YY3568? If you have any doubts about this, today's video will help you solve your problems.
First, we need to know that OpenHarmony adopts a modular design, expanded step by step from products, subsystems, components, and modules. Then we need to compile an executable program, which actually means compiling a module, assuming we want to compile a simple hello world program in the context of a subsystem named sample and a component named hello from a bottom-up perspective. It means placing the source files under the component, edit the component's build organization file build.gn. In addition, importing the compiled template. All that remains are the rules for compiling the Hello World module, mainly the source code of the module, dependency directories, and related components. If the current belonging component is hello, then a connection has been established between the module and the component. Next is to establish a connection between the component and the subsystem. Create a new bundle.json under the component, with this path being the path of the component. Component means a part or piece, the name of the component, the subsystem it belongs to, and the modules it contains are all described here. Finally, we also need to connect the subsystem with the product. First, you need to add the new subsystem to the subsystem configuration file. Then add the sample subsystem to the product configuration file. The path is vendor youyeetoo/YY3568/config.json. After completing all the above steps, return to the system's top-level source code directory. Use ./build.product-name YY3568-CCACE-build target hello world. Compile module. Wait for the compilation to complete, and you will get the executable file in the out directory. We can use the HDC tool to put it in YY3568. If you still don't know how to use HDC tool, you can watch previous videos. Now I have put the executable into the board. Add executable permissions to it and it can be executed smoothly. The above are the steps to compile OpenHarmony single board application.